Hello everyone. So today's book, we got a box in front of us. As you can see, it is a box of CDs. So, like, just old CDs my parents, because they're doing a clean out, so I'll probably just be going through like the different CDs and albums we got in here. So like this one, Pink Floyd The Wall, is pretty sick. 2 discs. I don't know when it was made, but a CD of that, so that's pretty cool. So there's like a whole box of just old stuff, really old stuff. Some of them are not too interesting, like there's heaps of Swedish stuff. But here we go, like Bilku Modern Classic, oh I don't know, there's heaps of Swedish stuff though. So dusty as well. What else do we have? Hips. So some of these I'm going to be ripping on my CD, and I'm also going to try and use sort of the cases to make my own album art with very modern songs and albums. But so yeah, we've got Frukt Salad, Yome Yome, with albums of Tutti Frutti, Ananas Jazz, Et Hallon Snonod, Figure Figure. I don't know. I can't speak Swedish very well or read it at all. Bamses. Bang Zulu. So some of these ones are actually quite I remember from my childhood. So it'll be interesting to listen through them and see if I can remember them. But basically we're going to go through them all and have a little look-see on different things. Weird. Oh, there's an ABBA. ABBA's, I think this is the greatest hit, ABBA. The ABBA remasters. I think this is probably the greatest hits of ABBA. In Excess. This is kind of cool. I like the back of it as well. So that's kind of sick. Holy moly, this. Like, just check out. Oh, check out this box. Check it out. Check it out, everybody. So that's kind of insane. It's like a full box load. Some of them are just dodgy shit. But yeah. What else is in here? Here we have Les Miserables. It's a 2 CD, I think. There's a lot. Musical sensation. So if you guys want to listen to the Les Miserables, some of these are a bit interesting. Here's a Crowded House CD. For you Crowded House fans. Looks pretty old. That's kind of cool. I don't know, I'm not sure where I'm just putting like different piles everywhere. Eric Clapton Unplugged. Australiana edition. Heaps of Australian songs, I'm guessing. Does anyone remember The Cause? Does anyone remember The Cause? What the hell? These look hella 90s, early noughties. Oh my god, look at that. The Cause. And of course, got a few Santana CDs. Holy moly. Holy moly. Okay, so I just wanted to highlight, this is a pretty cool album art. Literally all the tracks on the front, and then I'm not actually sure which one is the back and which one's the front on this one. Alright, so this is the front apparently, and this is the back. I don't know. It's kind of crazy. Album art's cool. Like, it's pretty sick. Okay, so I just found this one again. This is literally the same one as this one. Why do we have 2 of the same CD? What? What? Is one of them like fake? Do you have like a fake CD here? That seems real enough. What about this one? It seems real enough. I don't know. That's strange. We have 2 of the same CD. We have 2 Crowded Houses. Exactly like oh no, they're different. No, they're different in the back. They're different in the back. Kind of the same, but different. This one has small text, this one has big text. No idea why. Okay, so this kind of has kind of cool artwork on the front, I think. I quite enjoy it. Alright, so I found this. So this is cool. I'm like, who the hell is this band? And then I read on the side, oh, it's Pink Floyd. Pink Floyd Division Bell. The Division Bell. So that's kind of, I like that artwork. That's kind of cool. And we also have some Louis Armstrong. And the Spin Doctors. I've never, these sound familiar, but I can't remember. I might have to have a listen of Spin Doctors. What sort of music is this? Pocket Full of Kryptonite is this album. Okay, so this isn't music, but I've literally found Nutri-Grain, goddamn Nutri-Grain games, I think, or either music. Oh no, these are like tracks. So this is a BMX sort of movie, right? I'm pretty sure this is what it is. And this is a skate movie that we got from Nutri-Grain. Oh, Wax, this is old, man. This is cool. Wasn't expecting to find this sort of stuff here. Let me know if this is the sort of thing that you remember. You remember eating Nutri-Grain or having some cereal and getting games from it. Because I do. Also, I found a few more. Look at this artwork. Hell yeah. OG emo. OG punk. Well, it looks kind of punk, but I don't think my parents listen to Texas. Rick's Road. I think Texas is the name of the band. I don't know. And then we have some Eagles, Hell Freezes Over. Very simple, plain artwork. Kind of cool. And then we got a couple of Sting CDs. Because I think one of my parents enjoyed Sting. So that's kind of cool. Okay, so we have something even older than. So I think this is a video cassette tape. So this is even like more ancient than the CDs. And then we have Disney Karaoke Series 4, the one, the only Lion King, with instrumental versions and vocal versions. With the tracks Can You Feel the Love Tonight, I Just Can't Wait to Be King, Circle of Life, Warthog Rhapsody, Hakuna Matata, Be Prepared, He Lives in You, and Queen of the Jungle. Mixed songs, male and female, solos and duets. The whole package right here. The Disney's karaoke series of Lion King. Plus graphics, I think, so maybe you put this in the DVD and you can sing along to it. Like it has the things. I know, we'll see what that, we'll rip this and see what it comes up with. And then we have some Matchbox 20. Let me know if you remember Matchbox 20. With a very, like, that's pretty cool. Like, that's old school, like, hands over the faces, guys. This is the album artwork. Alright, we have another set of things to look at. This is Peter Lamarck. I'm not really sure what style of music this guy does, but I really like this artwork because the Peter Lamarck is on the actual plastic and not part of the actual cover art. Well, it probably is part of the cover art, but it's, so you kind of offset it by having like shadows. So I think that's really cool. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but you can see that like it's printed onto the plastic, and then there's like, you can have like drop shadowing onto the cover art, which is really cool. Plus I like the orange and black outline. Here we have what I believe to be a Swedish audiobook of, I can't remember what it's, Kakel Grönslandet of Sven Nordqvist. So basically these are like children's picture books, and I'm guessing this is an audiobook version of one of the books, which we do have a few of these. I'm not sure if we still have them. I hope so. But they're really cool. Maybe we'll do like we do have some old Swedish kids books I used to have and read. But yeah, the artwork's really nice as well. And we have more cores. I need to look up the cores because this is some seriously like 90s and noughties. Like, look at that cover art, look at those styles. And then Pink Floyd, another Pink Floyd one, but what's this one? a collection of great dance songs. One of These Days, Money, Sheep, Shine On You Crazy Diamond, Wish You Were Here, Another Brick in the Wall, Part 2. So these are probably like the biggest hits, or the ones you can dance to, I suppose. Weird. Let's dive back in. We don't have too much more to look through, and I'm not, because heaps of these CDs are just like meditation or like nice music you can have on the background, because my mum does massage therapy. So a lot of them are just that, but let's dive back in and I'll show you some more of the kind of interesting ones. Alright, here's the next lot. Barnens Verita. So we have some Bob the Builder and various other things. You can see Thomas the Tank Engine, and I think a few, maybe like the Mouse, Angeline the Ballerina, and then a few Swedish ones, I think. Jasper the Penguin, Petsen and Findus, which is this guy, which I was talking about before, I think. Like the farmer. But yeah, that's kind of cool. I have no idea what this is. Sheryl Crow. Oh, the back's kind of cool. I like that sort of aesthetic for the back with the cafe. Jenny Rose, so Tuesday Night Music Club, Sheryl Crow. Here we go. Here's some. I don't even know what this is. Some seriously bad, but kind of antique style of cover art. Look, you can't even read it properly. It's so bad. And then this, like, ugh, beautiful but horrible at the same time. And then this wonderful Chris Isaak as well. Look at that face. Look at this. Look at that stern look. Alright, here we go once again. We have more Santana. This is the best of Santana. Just because we have a lot of Santana ones. Just 90s with a leather jacket and mum jeans, which are coming back in. Those like 90s blue jackets. We have Robbie Robertson. I have no idea who Robbie Robertson is. If you know who Robbie Robertson is, please let me know. More Santana. Santana ones are really cool and psychedelic, the cover art. I really enjoyed them. And then we have music from the motion picture Titanic. Woo, let's go. With the tracks Nevin, Absolution, Distant Memories, Southampton, Rose, Leaving Port, Take Her to Sea, and Mr. Murdoch. Hard to Starboard, Unable to Stay, Unwilling to Leave. The Sinking, Death of Titanic, Promise Kept, A Life So Changed, An Ocean of Memories, My Heart Will Go On, Love theme from Titanic, as we all know, performed by Celine Dion. Well, that was a really long title. Hymn to the Sea. We have more Sting. Another Sting album. So it's like the third one. I'm not sure exactly, but we have some John Mayer. Why Georgia. This is not a. This is like a thin, one of those thin CDs. So kind of take your quality. This one, I feel like this might be on the end of the CD things. And then Phil Collins, but seriously, I'm guessing. I don't know. I'm guessing this is his handwriting and it's really bad. I'm guessing that's but seriously. I'm guessing so. And there we have it. We have now finished the box of CDs. So this is like a trip through memory lane for me, as well as seeing some like old CDs we used to have and kind of the wacky cover art that used to be on them. But that's it. That's all I really have to say. I'm going to rip a few of these CDs, mainly the Swedish ones, I think, because I'm not sure how you see them online. But I think the rest of the music is somewhere online. Like Spotify has so much, YouTube, and then Apple Music and Google Play. Like all of those combined, you have almost everything here. But yeah, thank you all for watching this little trip through memory lane, and hopefully I can get some of this sort of art, creative stuff going with the CD covers and see what I can do. So I have a few albums which I want to do. There's a Saturation Trilogy by Brockhampton, which I think will look kind of cool in CD format. I did see it in VHS format as well. Someone did like things, but I don't know. If you have any ideas of what would be cool CDs and things to do off, then I'll keep a few of these CDs that I could just gut out, and yeah. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.